Now let's learn a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to into first bracket a minus b and the another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Let's see here a cube plus b cube. If there is plus, then take first into first bracket there is plus sign and in second bracket there is minus sign. And if there is minus a cube minus b cube, take minus sign into first bracket and all plus signs into the second bracket. So formula is a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Now let's see by using this formula how to solve the examples. The first example is (27) p cube minus 125 q cube. Here 27 and 125 are the perfect cube of 3 and 5. It means first convert these into the a cube minus b cube. So 27 is a cube of 3. So here 3p cube minus this is a 5q cube. Here value of a is a 3p and value of b is a 5q. Now by using formula a cube minus b cube is equal to into first bracket a minus b and second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So here 27p cube minus 125q cube is equal to into first bracket a plus b. So put here value of ab in this formula 3p minus 5q and the second bracket a square that is 3p square plus 3p into 5q plus b square means 5q square. So 3p minus 5q and the here square of 3p is 9p square plus 5 3 is a 15pq plus square of 5q that is 25q square. This is the answer. Now let's see the second example. (16a cube minus 128b cube). First find out 16 and 128 are the perfect cube? No, because you know that the cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125. So here 16 and 128 is not the perfect cube. So first take any number common from this bottom, that is a 2. If take 2 common, then here is 8a cube minus here is 64b cube. Now look at the bracket. 8 and 64 are the perfect cube? Yes. 8 is a cube of 2 and 64 is a cube of 4. So 2 into bracket, this is a 2a bracket cube minus this is a 4 upon b bracket cube. So here value of a is a 2a and value of b is a 4 upon b. Now solve these examples by using formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So here 16a cube minus 128b cube is equal to 2 into bracket this 2 is here. Okay, now use formula in this bracket a minus b that is 2a minus 4 upon b into bracket a square that is 2a square plus AB into means 2A into 4 upon B plus B square means 4 upon B bracket square. So answer is 2 into bracket 2A minus 4 upon B 4A square. Square of 2A is a 4A square plus 4 to the 8A upon B plus 16 upon B square. This is the answer. This is the factors of 16A cube minus 128 B upon B cube. Instead of taking 2 common, if you take here common 16, then see here this bracket is 16 A cube minus 8 upon B cube. Okay, instead of 2, if you take a 16 common, then their 16 factors are 16 into bracket A cube minus 8 upon B cube. So here 16, value of A is A and value of B is 8 upon B cube, that is 2 upon B. Then you can use this formula here. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into bracket A square plus AB plus B square. If you put these values here, 16 into bracket A plus B, that is A minus B, that is A minus 2 upon B, and into bracket A square plus A into 2 upon B plus B square means 2 upon B bracket square. So answer is 16. Then here A minus 2 upon B and into here bracket A square plus 2A upon B plus 4 upon B square. This answer is also correct and this answer also correct. Okay, if you take 16 common, then answer is this. If you take 2 common, then answer is this. These both answers are correct. Now let's see a simple example of this using this formula. Now you are familiar with this formula. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into bracket A square plus 2AB plus B square. The next example, 64x cube minus 729y cube. Let's see here, 64 is a cube of 4 and 729 is a cube of 9. So here 4x bracket cube minus 729 is a cube of 9. 9y bracket cube. So here value of A is a 4x, value of B is a 9y. So by using formula, A cube minus B cube is equal to first bracket A minus B and another bracket A square plus AB plus B square. So here 64x cube minus 729y cube is equal to into first bracket A minus B, that is 4x minus 9y, and another bracket A square means 4x bracket square plus 4x into 9y plus B square means 9y bracket square. So answer is 4x minus 9y into first bracket and another bracket 16x square plus 9 4 the 36xy plus square of 9 is 81y square.